How to use ultra wide camera on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can use ultra wide camera on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use ultra wide camera on iPhone, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all open up your camera app, and now here you can see front camera on the back camera. Now ultra wide simply means that being able to zoom out to the maximum like this, both for the front camera and the back camera. As for the front camera, this is how it looks, and as for the back camera, here you can see 0.5. You simply want to switch to 0.5 and the camera will be switched to ultra wide. And even if you're actually taking a video, you will switch to 0.5, then actually it will go in the ultra wide mode. So this way you can go ahead and then basically use ultra wide camera. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.